Have the Topgreener occupancy sensor.
Motion switch.
Yeah, we had one before that it didn't work with LED lights, so we just replaced it with the switch for now, and now they came out with the LED.
This is
lights.
a single pole, so there's only one switch that turns on the light, turns the light on and off. One's is for the ceiling fan.
Okay.
This is for the light, so we're not going to have to replace the plate. So the plate is
Well, it's
good to
missing
go.
a screw, so I don't know. We might want to, if she wants to, we can switch it to white, or you can keep it silver.
I don't care.
So what was the few things you wanted to
I was just going to show you how you pull off the little plastic on those.
do? Just gonna get the face plate off.
Yeah. I like that other screwdriver better because it's not as wide.
What would you do with it? Did you put it back?
I don't know.
Hey guys, what are you doing in my room?
Trying to save electricity.
We're making you more energy efficient. The lights are off. Here's the flashlight.
Dang it.
Always remember what these look like. It's going to be easy. You have the load wires.
It's only 3 on this one.
There's only 3? Yeah. You'll need the white, the red, or the white, or the red, the black, and the green.
Oh, these are the ones we're going to have the pliers for because it's got the hook that goes around.
No, maybe not. Oh, yeah, we will. Okay, I'll go grab the pliers then. These were curved and you straighten them out.
Yeah, so we can
fit on
wrap the
little
wire around it.
connector and nut.
Okay.
Okay, this was the trick one. This is, we have the red goes to red, black goes to black, the green goes to the ground, which is the bare wire. And we have an extra wire that's buried back in here that we're gonna have to dig out and find it for the white wire.
Well, there's a ceiling fan in here too, so
I have to pull that out so we can get all the wiring out.
it's right here.
We had to dig out the neutral wire, and we found the one that goes to the light switch with the wires we're using. We're going to take that wire out, separate it from these, and
it's on there
hook
good.
these back together. Now we have our neutral wire.
Is it going to be
this switch will not work without the neutral wire according to the directions.
Hopefully it won't be a problem with the ceiling fan.
No, it shouldn't be. The ceiling fan's got its own wire.
Okay. So.
It doesn't need a neutral. It's just a.
So this comes with these little cap
Hmm?
covers over on the ends of the wires. You just pull these off. Who's coming in the driveway? Did the light just go down?
Mm-hmm. Stand by for a
So.
second.
So the black goes on the black one?
No, let's see. Yeah, on that one, yes. Black is black. We had to remove the ceiling fan switch in order to get to all that other wiring. I don't know if I already put that in there or not.
Yeah, we pulled it out so we could tell which wire the ground, whatever
We
one
could find the
goes
ground
to.
wire,
Yeah.
basically. Not the ground, but the neutral. The white
Yeah,
one.
the neutral.
It's typically white. They may be different. You might have to use a tester in order to determine that.
Red and pink. Alright. And
White and green is the bare one, which is the ground. So while you're doing that, I guess you came in the driveway. Alright, ceiling fans, put that
did you
in
want to
there.
test it before we...
Yes, I do.
Okay.
So you've got all the caps on there.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go switch. Flip the switch. Alright, holler real loud if something blows up. Didn't hear any hollering. Let's go back in.
No, but it's
I
not
didn't
working.
hear any hollering. It's not working? That might be one of those we gotta set again. Let's check out the direction.
You have to pop this off, but
Yeah.
I need light.
Okay. Alright, so we dug the white wire out, which is neutral. And we attached it to all the white wires instead of trying to guess and see which one was the correct one to be. We just attached them to the group of white wires, flipped it back on, and it's working.
Yeah, because it didn't work the other way.
So we will turn the power back off, stuff all these wires back in there, screw it back together, and test it again. Good.
It's on test right now.
Is it? Okay.
Maybe I should loosen it up a little bit or just leave it like that for now.
That one will probably be okay, unless it's sideways. We can always unscrew it a little bit to fix it. We got smart. We decided to use our electric drill thing. Electric screwdriver.
Oh, I see it. Little cover. Looks kind of crooked, so see. Either something does anyway. Let's see here. That's ugly. Oh well. I'm just gonna put the white one on there now. But it does need to go down a little further. On here, it's test 10 minutes. No, test 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then 20, and then 30. What should I leave it on for her?
Probably 20 or 30.
20? I'll say 20. She can wave her arms around if
Yeah.
she stays in here a lot, though.
And then she'll know about how long she's been dilly-dallying on whatever she's doing.
Yeah. So I need a little skinny screwdriver or something, like a little tiny screwdriver I can stick down in there to move it. That's
It's too big?
Yeah, not like an eyeglass screwdriver.
I don't have one of those.
Well, I'll go look, see what I can find. So I'll put it on 20. Right there. And then it's on like range or whatever. It's on the average range. There we go. I'll leave it like that.
Cover back on.
It goes like up right there.
Pen pals out. Like, subscribe, comment, share.
And that's if you want it off, you can just.
That's the manual
yeah.
settings. So, there we go. And if you're uncomfortable about doing any of this,
Any electrical work.
get an electrician.